Oh, finally! Man, you don't know how difficult it was to start this stream. But finally we are here now. So, as I was saying previously, we was looking for buys above, sells below. I will mark it right now and I will explain it later, the rest. Okay, let me check the video quality, everything. Yep, it's perfect. Let me put some music. Alright, share the link maybe. Hello. Oh my god, I was talking for myself all of this time. So, I will repeat, no worries. Uh, so, I'm looking for buys above. Whenever this candle close above, I'm looking for buys. And we need the closure. We are waiting for a closure above so we can enter the trade. So we are just, we have about 7 minutes left for this next candle to close. But I took one trade already today, so if it's A plus plus setup, I'm gonna take it. Otherwise, I'm not interested. This is the trade I took in the morning. It looks like this. I took it in the break of the high, and stop loss was below the current candle for about 50 pips. I remember the stop loss like it was 5 minutes ago. It was exactly 50 pips. My stop loss, yep, exactly right here. And I entered, secured about 100 pips, something like that. Let me drop to the lower time frame just to see the candles. So first take profit was about 5441. 5441.0. Okay. And second, my runner went till 13. Okay, it's not that big of a deal. Let's check how many pips is this. Okay, alright, so it's about exactly 100 pips. Exactly. Yup, it was a quick trade. Quick and nice and clean trade. Very, very clean trade, guys. Absolutely amazing. And great clean trade here that I took in the morning. So now we are waiting for the closure. This 15-minute candle closure in 5 minutes. If it closes above, there is a whole clean range. Look at this clean range, guys. It's about 400 pips clean range. So if we get the closure, we are going to enter without any hesitation, without a second thought. We are going to enter right away. Yup, it's looking like it's getting ready now to give us the trade. So I want it to look like this. I will draw now how I want this candle to close for order to me to take a trade. We just need the closure above, that's all. Yep, like it's getting to it now. It's going to give us the closure now, guys. So I'm going to be back. Give me a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. Looks like this candle wants to close in our direction. Yup, it looks good. So let me draw you a little explanation how we want it to close. So we want this candle to close like this, something like this. So there is a small details which is nobody pays attention to, is that it's better if the week broke below this previous week. Look at this previous week right here. So we have an absolute clean range. This week should break below the previous week. It's a small detail that no one pays attention to, so we don't get fake out. It's better for this candle to close like I showed you above this previous week. Otherwise, it will not count as a good high quality setup. For example, if this week was smaller, maybe the next candle will open and it will try to break, reject, and boom, stop us out. So that's why we need a good week, guys. We need a good week like this, something above this previous week, which will be perfect for taking a trade, will give us the perfect execution. All right, what else? So if anyone have any question, please just leave a comment below and I will be happy to answer you guys. I will be more than happy. All right, so it doesn't look like it's going to close above. There is only 46 45 minutes. Let's check it out. Mm. Okay, so this candle closed without a volume. Oh my gosh, man. This is a really ugly close, guys. It's one of the ugliest closure I've ever seen in my life. It's one of the ugliest closures. Okay, but look at that carefully. It's going up now. But what is the use if it's going up now? We didn't get the closure that we wanted. We didn't get the closure that we wanted. So look, this my morning trade. I secured about something close to 1%. It's not bad. Yup, I should have left a runner. Look at that. So secured about 100 pips, but price went for, oh my gosh, it went for 300 pips. Man, that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy, guys. Totally. Totally insane. Crazily insane. Alright, so I think we have interesting upcoming news because gold is behaving like shit. It doesn't make any sense now. Why is gold behaving like this? Let's check Forex Factory. Maybe we can find some answers if we check Forex Factory. But it doesn't look like there is anything that would explain it. Here. Alright. Let's just wait a little bit and see how will this candle close. You can notice that there is a nice volume. Nice volume now. Alright, guys. Mm, let's see how will gold closure. Are we gonna get a closure above or no? Let's see. We are just waiting for a nice closure above this area right here. Above this area. So this trade I took, but I took it, it was not on the stream. So I don't think I can update my stream details because it's just for the trades on the stream. But I have to update it in my journal. It was, I took about 100 pips. Yep, just 100 pips target over here. So I have to update it in my journal. Oh, look at this now. This candle is about to close, guys. It's about to close in 9 minutes. It looks like a perfect entry. Even the 30-minute, we got a 30-minute candle close like this. It indicates no volume. But we will look at the bright side. Did we have a 4-hour? Alright. So we had a 4-hour candle closure. And I don't think buys is a good idea anymore, guys. I don't think buys is a good idea. Because this candle now is creating, it could be creating a top wick. This 4-hour candle. Pay attention to this. This 4-hour candle could be creating a top wick and then it will go down to fill this gap. This is the most probable setup right now, is that this candle will move down to fill the gap. So we have just to wait for it. Wait for it to fill this gap. That's what we are anticipating, is that this 4-hour will flip and continue to fill this gap for about 500 pips. And all what we need is just a closure below. If we get closure below, we will enter sells right away. Closure below equal sells. Yep, guys, that's all what we need. This candle will close in about, I think, 7 minutes. 7 minutes this candle is going to close, and we probably could enter some sells. Below here, below this area. If someone asks why don't you enter buys, I will not enter buys because the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is very very bearish, guys. It's so bearish. That's why it's not a good idea to enter buys. And even if you think that creating a support, it should create a support from here, from this area, not this area right here. So I'm not actually interested in buys there. Look at the 4 hour. Oh, so there is actually a support here on the 1 hour time frame. 30 minutes. Is there is a support? No, it's below here. It's actually kinda confusing right now. It's a little bit confusing, but we are mostly looking for sells below or buys would be above. If we got a nice closure, we will enter buys above. Buys above closure. It looks like it's gonna close soon, guys. Less than 5 minutes on the clock. Less than 5 minutes. Alright, so the news is up and oh shit. So President Trump is going to speak in like 20 minutes. Man, oh man, what the fuck? Why is he gonna speak in 10 minutes? I mean 20 minutes. I don't think it's a good idea to take anything. If he's speaking in 10 minutes, that's just not predictable. You don't know what he could say. He could say we are going to stop the war and gold will dump, or we are gonna attack more and gold will pump. Trump will use Iran if unnecessary. Oh, okay. Okay. Will not rule out. Says big wave has yet to come in Iran war. Trump, man, this guy is totally unpredictable. That's what I know about him. He just can say something, next day he says something else. So let's just pay attention to the price action and be careful with our trades and manage our risks. So I just need to journal this trade because I couldn't journal it in the morning, and yep, that's all I need to journal it. If you guys have any questions, leave the questions in the chat and I will be more than happy to answer your questions for free. You don't have to pay anything. It's for free, just today. Maybe tomorrow it won't be for free, but today it's totally for free. $0.000. Limited time only. Because when I become famous, I will take $1,000 per hour. That's the minimum. This is just for the beginning. 1,000 bucks per hour. Yes, you're hearing this correctly. But for now we are just chilling, waiting for this candle to close. It will close in about 4 minutes, less than 4 minutes. 3 minutes for the candle to close. Three minutes. 3 minutes left. That's absolutely nothing. We can wait for even more than that. We've been waiting the whole day, so it will not matter just for 3 minutes, guys. Give me a minute. That's some really good music, man. Mm, 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 mm. Alright, the entry was here. And take profit was here. Save. So I'm just taking a screenshot. Maybe you can't see this, but I'm taking a screenshot from all time frames for my trade that I took earlier. It was right here. If you are wondering what am I doing, yep, I'm just taking some screenshots so I can put it in my trading journal. This is my daily trading journal. You can see it here. Give it some time. Oh man, what's wrong with the internet today? So it's taking some time, but it's fine, guys. It's fine. Trump is going to speak in 10 minutes. I think that's why gold price is consolidating like this. So when you see gold like this, that means it's waiting for a really big news. When you see gold price acting like this way, it is waiting for a really big news. Gold is waiting for Trump to speak. Now from the Trump, whatever he say, gold will move based on that. Alright, so this is my really nice trading journal. As you can see here, nothing much, is just I just journal every trade I take. I just journal it right here. Every trade I take, there is no exception. Every trade I take, I just put it in this journal, and I think you also should do the same. If you want to be a profitable trader, you want to be a successful trader, you have to journal your trades. It's a necessary, it's a must. Like, there is no trading without journaling, and there is no journaling without trading. So man, as I told you, look here. If you can read, you can read this. If you cannot read, just go wear some glasses or something, because this is a very big text. I think everyone can see. I will make it bigger for the people who cannot read. Yeah, maybe you can read that while I journal my trade. So it was in the morning, about, what's this? It was about 12:30. Maybe I can check the order times, account summary. What time was this? Orders filled all. What the fuck? Why does it not show my orders? What kind of bullshit is that? Where's my orders? Positions. What's this, man? I don't understand. Buy one, buy one. It was at 1:10. Oh no, this is when I closed my position. 1:10, 1:10. This was today? Yep, it was today. Sorry. So I cannot check my trade history because of this maybe stupid broker. Let me open trade of it. Trade of it. I can see the trades much better there. So all what I need is just this trade. This trade, what time exactly did I take this trade on? It was London session, pre-London session, and I just entered on the break of the high, on the break of this high, and boom, just from nowhere I got 100 pips. Look at this, 100 pips from nowhere. I have no idea even how I caught it, but I just did. Yeah, so let me check. Wait, 598? What the fuck is this shit? Orders? 588? Man, they took 10 bucks away. Where did these 10 bucks go? What the heck is happening? Man, all these trading firms are a big scammers. That's why I prefer trading my own account. Man, you cannot trade with these people. You cannot. How can I check the history? Order ticket, orders. Alright, so I entered the buy stop 6 0 points. Yup, it was filled at 1. Okay, so maybe it was filled at 1 and closed at 1:10. So it was just 10 minutes, right? 10 minutes, filled, sell 1. When did I sell 4? Sell 5. Wow, it took just 9 minutes, guys. It took 10 minutes from 1 o'clock, which is, I think it's London open, right? But there is a fucking $10 missing. Look at this. Total P and L. It's 588. And here. Here. It's 598. So it's almost $600 here. Alright, man, maybe I have just to let it slide. Let it slide. I'm a good guy. I don't want any troubles with these people, so I will just let it slide. Only this time I will let it slide. Iran conflicts. Alright, so we are still waiting for closure of these 15 minutes. Let's see how will it close. It was at 1. Let me journal it real quick. Monday to include time 13:00, right? Orders. Yup, it was exactly at 1. At 1 o'clock. It was bullish buys and it was London session. It was a clear breakout on the 1 hour time frame. I think it was also on the 4 hours as well. Look. So here the 4 hours, but it does not look like a breakout, so it just looks like a breakout on the 1 hour. Let's see. Maybe it's slowing down because of the stream. Yep, it was a clear breakout on the 1. Clear breakout, break previous high low. Hey, what's this? Why I'm not recording? Oh, I think it was break current, wick fill. Yep, that's the yesterday's trade I took. I secured 1 to 2. 1 to 2 exactly. 1 to 2 RR. And now I'm going to choose the pictures that I screenshots that I took for my trade, so I can study them for the future. Alright guys, so actually Trump is speaking in less than 7 minutes. Trump is going to speak, so I'm just going to wait for him to speak, and then we will think about entering a trade. So how much was it? Let's say, is it 588? Can I check in the history here somewhere? Settings, like here. Settings. Yep. Performance. Today, go. Give me today. Look. 400, 500, 94, 98. What about the commissions? Give me a Alright, alright, ladies and gentlemen. What's happening now? What is happening? This is getting exciting. This is getting really, really exciting now. Alright, so I'm also waiting for Trump to speak. Now we will see if everything is okay or no. He's probably going to speak soon. So let's see. Let's see what's he gonna say. What is he gonna say? Man, oh, we need a good closure. Alright. We got the closure, guys. We got the closure. Can this candle go up to break? 30 minutes also. It's closed perfect. We just need damn man, we just need a week to the upside. Just a week to the upside. Oh no, Goldie. Don't do us like that. Oh man, damn. Oh, that was not expected. You can see this, guys. It went exactly to fill the wick, as I was saying. It just went to fill the wick. I don't think there will be any more trades for today, so I prefer to close the stream, I think. Yes, man, this is nonsense, but I think the war is gonna stop or something gonna happen. But I wanted to sell from here. I just wanted a little bit bigger wick than this. Look how much it moved to the downside. Man, about 500 pips. I just want a little wick till here. But if we didn't get a wick, that means there is no trade for today. I already got my win for today, and it's more than enough. Look at this amazing win right here. It's more than enough for today. And I think Trump is saying something interesting, so I'm gonna go with my day. It was a nice trading day, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe the stream. And adios. Take care, everyone.